Hi everybody, it's Wanda. Okay, so I'm going to do the fourth one of these little 6x6 gallery wraps. This one I have mixed up Ultramarine blue. It's Master's Touch. Mixed 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, a little water to thin it. I'm going to do the same thing again. Put about an ounce or a little over of this white. Try to put that much of the ultramarine. And then about half that much or a little less of the black. We'll see what happens with this one. Let it drop down a little bit. Hopefully that paint will mix as it goes down. We'll get some more lacing, maybe some cells. Like for it to sit there for a minute. I want to do one actually, what if I layer a cup and leave it sitting for an hour? Let those colors just blend into each other. Maybe go light, dark, light, dark, light, dark, something like that. And just see what happens. Ooh, that ultramarine is pretty dark, especially with that black. Look at that. Let me pop some bubbles. Well, just let it sit there for a minute. I have another one of those things in the middle that stretched out a few minutes ago. That looks like a spaceship. So much like a spaceship. I love it. Maybe this will come out looking celestial, spacey, nebula kind of thing. That'd be okay. And drip paint. I love this. I'm just gonna go tilt it off each side a little bit and go from there. See what I figure out, what I get. Maybe I can figure a way with the drip offs to fix the sides. Oh, I love that thing in the middle. I do dearly love that. Ooh. Looks almost like a seashell in water too. So I don't know if it's a spaceship or a seashell. So awesome. Fix that side. Bring that up a little. Okay. This looks kind of funny. Let me fix it. I just pulled out what was under the bottom on that tape to use on my sides. Comes in handy. I tape even the little ones. Okay. I love it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I guess I should check and see if there's paint that needs to roll off where it might be too thick. See if it's still moving. Not really. Not moving that much. A little bit. Might take some off that corner right there just a little bit. That edge. I've still got stuff popping through. So I think there's going to be blue popping through in there. Maybe some white. I'm popping the bubble. Oh my goodness. I'm happy. I think this turned out cool. You all have to decide if you think that's underwater or in space. I guess everybody sees their own thing though. So, you know, no two people are ever going to agree, I don't think, on a painting and what they see. But I love it. So, I'm going to take the camera down, give you all a close-up. I'm not going to put any silicone on this one. We're just going to let it do its thing. And this is the ultramarine blue mixed with 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, water to thin, Artist Loft black, Artist Loft white. That was Master's Touch ultramarine blue. So thanks for watching.